Okay, student, we just started. This is our first numerical. Remaining numerical is cancelled based on board exam. So we have to calculate viscous force, that is capital F. Diameter is given 1 millimeter. So we are converted into 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Next is falling with uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means constant velocity they are falling. That is V is given 2 meter per second. So this is constant velocity 2 meter per second through the air. The coefficient of viscosity effect. The coefficient we represent by eta symbol. How to represent? This eta symbol represent the coefficient of viscosity. So this part is the given part. If we know the diameter, we know the radius. Diameter is the half of radius. Sorry, so radius half or 2 radius is equal to diameter. Correct, na? So we need radius so divide by 2. Diameter को divide by 2. If we put divide by 2, it becomes radius. Correct? So radius find out here. So important point is here. Now how to find viscous force? So we already have Stokes law formula. Viscous force formula. Force is equal to 6 pi eta RV. Now check 6 as it is. Pi is 3.142 and eta is already given 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Next is R. What is R? 5 into 10 raised to minus 4. And what is V? V is 2 meter per second. That means 2. This is simplest question. You just multiply each part. Remember, power part is individual solve power part. We know that the power part is not multiplied. They are either add or subtract. So minus 5 minus 4 become minus 9. Because minus minus becomes plus. We know that is basic part. So when we multiply this all part, what we are getting? 339.336 into 10 to minus 9 Newton. Why we are putting Newton? Because force per unit is Newton. I hope clear this part. So you can easily calculate directly. No need logarithm table. Okay. If we use logarithm, best रहेगा. Next question. Clear this question? Anyone having any doubt related to this? This is our first question.
No, sir.
Okay. So we go further. Next question is fourth question. यहाँ पे number random है, textbook based पे नहीं. A horizontal force of 1 Newton. So force is given. What is the force? Capital F is 1 Newton. Required to a metal plate of area. Metal plate area is given. That is capital A is 10 raised to minus 2 meter square. With a velocity 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter per second. Velocity here, velocity we are represented by small velocity. That is 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. We also represent by V. It doesn't matter. But here take dV better रहेगा. When it rests on a layer of oil. The layer of oil is represent the distance of the layer oil, which is represented by dx, which is nothing but 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 is given. Find the coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity, that means they ask, tell me about eta. So we have one more formula, Newton formula for viscosity of force ka we have formula. What is the formula? Eta A dV upon dx. Let's see. We have eta, we don't have eta. So accept this eta. Take whole part on left hand side. So what we are getting? Eta is equal to F dx upon AD. Let's see. We have F. Yes, we have F. We have dx. Yes, 1.5 we have dx. We have area. Yes, we have area. We have dV. Yes, we have speed. So we have all parts. Put this all parts in this formula and start solving this equation. Yeah. So it is very simple. This is 10 raised to minus 4. This is 10 raised to minus 4. Minus 4 becomes 10 raised to minus 4. Now take this 10 raised to minus 4 upward. Of common sense, if you are taking this 10 raised to minus 4 up direction, numerator part, it becomes plus 4. So I hope you understand how we are getting this part. What is the remaining part in denominator is 2. Now multiply this 2 by 1.5. And what about this 10 raised to minus 3 and 10 raised to power plus 4 become 10 raised to plus 1. Here, this part. So we are multiplying by
Yes, sir.
this 10 multiplied by 1.5, what we are getting? 15 upon 2. Now divide by this 2 by 15, what we are getting? 7.5 Newton per second per meter square. These are the unit of coefficient of viscosity. The next question. Understand this part. Anyone having any doubt related to this second question? We are done now. Second question. Now we are coming to next third question. With what terminal velocity? They are asking terminal velocity. So with what terminal velocity? That means terminal velocity is equal to question mark. Small v is equal to question mark. Air bubbles 0.4 millimeter in diameter. So this is the diameter is given. So diameter is 0.4 millimeter. So we are converted into meter. 4 into 10 to minus 4 meter. I hope you know how we are converting. 1 millimeter is equal to how much meter? 10 to minus 3 meter. So see here this point is also shift. It becomes 4. That means we are taking this 0.1 also. Correct? That is why we are getting 4 into 10 to minus 4 meters. Now this is diameter. Now we have to calculate radius. So what is radius? Half of diameter. So d upon 2 is our radius. So what is diameter? 4 into 10 to minus 4 upon 2. Now 2 to the 4. What we are getting radius? Half of diameter. 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Now next. Rise in liquid viscosity. Viscosity, that means eta is given. Here viscosity is represented by this symbol, that is 0.1 Newton second per meter square. And specific gravity. Now specific gravity is represented by the density symbol, that is rho. We also represent by here like this. Mostly we are representing like this, or this is italic P. This is given. Oh, sorry, this is not a specific gravity. Specific gravity is nothing but the sigma. Sigma is given. Okay. Let me see. This 0.9, 0.9, 0.9. Here 1.29. Achha, density of air. This is density of air is given. And gravity, we know about gravity. So what about this specific gravity? So there is no formula for specific gravity. We have the formula of specific. Symbol is not there. Formula we know. What is specific gravity formula? Density of liquid upon density of water. Now density of liquid we are represented by sigma, and density of water we are represented by rho symbol. So sigma. Now density of water is already given. This is density of air. Let me correction. मेरे को यहाँ पे density of water मेरे को तो show करना पड़ेगा. Density of water is not given because density of water is fixed. ठीक है? So these are the given part. Density of water. So we are putting here density of water. Yes, Arpa. What happened? Why you are raising your hand?
नहीं सर गलती से हुआ.
You are playing with specific gravity is given 0.9. Density of liquid is sigma, and density of water is 1000. So common sense, we take this 1000 left hand side. So we are getting the sigma. Lots of correction. Sigma is equal to 0.9 into 1000. What we are getting? 900 kilogram per meter cube. Clear this part? This is the density of liquid, that is sigma. What we have to find? Terminal velocity. Correct? So what is the formula of terminal velocity? Eta is equal to 2 upon 9 r square rho minus 1 into g. Yes. What happened, boys? Adil. You have any doubt here? So we have to find this terminal velocity. So they take this terminal velocity left hand side and take this eta here. Now let's see what is given. We have r. Yes, we have r. We have rho. Yes, we have density of air. We have sigma. Just we calculate sigma. We have g. Yes, g is 9.8 meter per second. We have eta. Eta is already given 0.1. So we have all parts. What we have to calculate? Terminal velocity. So where is terminal velocity? See, we are arranging the formula. Just replace the position of v and eta, and we put all the value which is given. Now calculate this part. Okay, you are getting negative answer because of here. यहाँ पे जो density का value है उसकी वजह से negative answer आ रहा है. मैं डायरेक्टली फाइनल आंसर पे आ रहा हूँ. Here
सर
we have to use logarithm table.
सर
Yes, yes.
सर वो जो आपने फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल कराया था ना, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ विस्कोसिटी वाला.
हाँ,
हाँ तो सर 1 मिनट उसका स्लाइड बताएंगे तो मैं स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेता हूँ.
I send you ना this video part.
अभी
अभी
मतलब आप
इसका
पहले. हाँ
चलेगा. मैं वीडियो सेंड कर दूंगा यूट्यूब पे. मैं पुट कर रहा हूँ. We already done
हाँ
first
सर प्लीज आप
rotational dynamics. आप
लिंक
लोग ने
भेज दो सर आप प्लीज.
हाँ मैं लिंक भेज दूंगा. ओके. Now we come to next question. Sixth question. The speed of water is 2 meter. ठीक है. ये देखो ग्रीन ग्रीन
Yes,
कलर
sir.
में कौन है ये. नॉट शेयर. ना यार
सर ये
क्या लिखा
हमारा
हुआ है.
पता है.
आई नो. इक्वेशन ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी. इक्वेशन ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी पार्ट को कैंसिल किया है बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में. तो वो न्यूमेरिकल भी क्या हो जाएगा. वी आर कैंसल दिस न्यूमेरिकल. ओके. So this numerical is not there in your board exam.
बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन है सर.
What?
बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन.
No, Bernoulli equation is also not there, and their application भी remove किया. Next
अरे
question
क्या मतलब.
7. Now the problem is 7 question में क्या use किया. See the formula, and this formula is removed by your board examination. So this numerical is not there in your board exam. Coming
कैंसर.
to next question. Again the word pressure came. If the pressure is there, that means this numerical is cancelled by your board exam. Now again coming to next question. We are going very fast now. है ना? Next question. Calculate the rise in water inside a clean glass capillary. Capillary part is there in your board exam. So we have to calculate this part. So see, the radius is given 0.1 millimeter. So R is given, small r is 0.1 millimeter. So 0.1 millimeter is equal to meter कितना हो जाएगा. 10⁻⁴ meter. We already know. Next, immerse in water of surface tension 7 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton meter. So tension capital T is given 7 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton per meter. The angle of contact, always if represent angle, the angle is theta. The angle of contact between water and glass is 0. That means theta is given 0 degree Celsius, 0 degree, sorry. And the density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So density of water is represented by here rho, that is 1000 kilogram meter cube. Now the symbol is based on formula. Now gravity is given 9.8 meter per second square. What we have to find? The rise. Rise represent the height, correct? Rise of water. Capillary के inside कितना rise हो रहा है water. That means we have to calculate the height of the capillary. So we already know the formula of capillary action. T is equal to R H rho G upon 2 cos theta. So accept this H, take whole part left hand side. So this 2 cos theta T के पास आएगा. So my equation become, formula become 2T cos theta upon R rho G. Let's see. We have T. Yes, we have T. We have cos theta. We don't have cos. We have theta value, that is 0. We know that cos 0 is
theta है sir.
Cos 0 degree is 1. We already know about this. Next, R we have. Yes, we R hai. Next, rho is there. Density is there. Yes, we have density. G is there. G is not given, but we know that G is 9.8 meter per second. Clear? So whole part is given. So this is simple type question. So we put all value here. Okay. After value putting, simple type है इसमें. You don't need that logarithm part. Directly calculate कर सकते हैं. Okay. So what we are getting the final answer? Yes, Salih.
सर आप लॉगरिथम का एक तरह के बताओ ना.
Logarithm we are already done in class 11. So these are the basic parts. I already tell you. I'm division, multiplication, minus, plus. ये basic part है ना. ये basic part अगर मैंने यहाँ किया ना, तो we are done one question in one lecture. I know you have doubts. So better. I know you have problems, but this basic part we can't do here. Teacher not allowed. Even principal shout me. So why you are doing plus, minus, multiplication, division, and it take large time. Better. If you don't understand the given part, you don't understand the formula. So that is my responsibility. कि हाँ तुमको question नहीं समझा. बट अगर डिवीजन में डाउट आ रहा है तो दिस शोज दैट योर बेसिक इज नॉट गुड, है ना, वो प्रैक्टिस से अच्छा हो जाएगा। और ऐसा रहेगा तो हम लोग उसके लिए मैं अलग से एक वीडियो डाल दूंगा लॉगरिथम का। और आई ऑलरेडी डन इन क्लास 11, रिमेम्बर तुम लोग की बुक में होगा, तो जरा चेक करो कैसे
हाँ
करते हैं।
सर याद है, एक्टिविटी कर रहे थे।
प्रॉब्लम इज प्रैक्टिस, यू हैव टू डू प्रैक्टिस। जितना प्रैक्टिस करोगे आप अच्छे
ओके
हो। तो फाइनल आंसर क्या आ रहा है आज का? 0.1428। so we are convert this value by centimeter, तो सिर्फ पॉइंट शिफ्टिंग होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 10 क्वेश्चन। अन एयर बबल, अन एयर बबल on air bubbles radius is given. Radius is small r is 0.2 millimeter, so we are convert into meter, so 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Surface tension just below the water surface, calculate the gauge pressure. Gauge pressure must mean difference between two pressure, correct? मैंने बताया था एक लिक्विड के बाद दो प्रेशर होता है, एक आउटसाइडर एक इनसाइडर। दिस इज रिप्रेजेंट बाय delta P, and this delta P is called wedge pressure. Now wedge pressure part is not there, but drops and bubbles part hai. That is why we are doing this question. Surface tension is given. What is surface tension of water? That is capital T is 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton meter. Okay. Now what we have to calculate? Delta P. We have the formula of this drops and bubbles का formula. मैंने बताया था, bubble is always double. So drops formula is 2T upon R. And bubbles formula में multiply by 2 बोला था मैंने। So delta P is equal to 4T upon R. Let's see. T is there, small r is there. See, all value is given. Just put and solve this. No need logarithm, directly solve हो जाएगा. Okay.
Okay sir.
What you are getting the final answer? 11440 Newton per meter square. Now coming to next question. Anyone having any doubt related to this question?
No sir.
No, sir.
Next question is question 11. 27 droplet of water. That means वो एक water के 27 droplet हो रहे, एक बाल्टी में पानी, उसमें से बहुत सारे drops निकल रहे। Suppose this is 27.
अच्छा।
Number of drop is represented by capital N और small n. कुछ भी ले सकते हो। Each radius. So first कितने droplet हैं? 27. So capital N is equal to 27. एंड कैपिटल एन और मैंने जो सॉल्व किया है उसके अंदर मैंने स्मॉल एन रिप्रेजेंट किया है, सो बेटर टेक स्मॉल एन और कैपिटल डजंट मैटर। कोलीजियस का मतलब होता है कंबाइंड इनटू अ सिंगल ड्रॉप। नाउ दिस 27 ड्रॉप कंबाइंड टू फॉर्म अ सिंगल ड्रॉप। हियर फाइंड द चेंज इन सरफेस एनर्जी व्हेन दे कंबाइन ईच अदर, हाउ मच सरफेस एनर्जी इज चेंज, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट दैट पार्ट। So where is surface energy? Now surface energy is nothing but their potential energy, and how we are calculating potential energy with the help of work done. Clear? Okay.
Yes sir.
Surface tension of water is 0.072. That is capital T is given. So R capital T and number of drop is given. So how to calculate? First हम लोग के पास एक R तो है, but एक R नहीं है. Clear? Single drop का R कितना होगा वो नहीं है. So how to calculate this R? Very easy. Volume of 27 drop is equal to volume of single drop. एक थोड़ा conception. I hope you understand. ये 27 drop ही मिलकर single drop बन रहे हैं ना, clear ना? So volume of 27 drop. Can we say that this 27 drop is equal to volume of single drop? Of course, this is correct. Correct. So we know that the volume formula, because it is spherical. If it is spherical, we apply spherical formula. 27 is the number of droplets, 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Correct. These are the formulas. Volume of circle. Correct. So volume of sphere.
Yes, sir.
Volume of single drop. So यहाँ पे मैं 1 लूंगा, but 1 is negligible. That is why 1 is not represent. We know the formula of volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now here r is represented by different symbol because single drop का radius might be big हो सकता है. 27 drop each square का जो radius है small हो सकता है. Clear? What is the common part? 4 upon 3 pi is common part. So cancel this 4 upon 3 pi part. What is the remaining part? 27 r cube, and here right side is capital R cube. Correct? So what you do next? Take this r cube on left hand side. So जैसे ये left hand side लेंगे तो उससे ऐसा cube root आएगा. We know that 27 का cube root is 3 and small r का cube is as it is r. Correct? We have the value of r. What is the value of r? 1 into 10 raised to minus 4. See, I'm adding this part here.
Minus 20.
1 into 10 raised to minus 4. So it becomes 3 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. We get capital R. We have small r, capital R for single droplet. But what we have to calculate, change in surface energy, that is work done. Here the work done is very small droplet जोड़े ज़्यादा तो difference आएगा नहीं droplet में, because droplet की study करना बोले तो बहुत small चीज की study हो रही है. That is why we are representing here work done by dW. We know the formula of dW based on the relationship between surface energy and surface tension. dW is equal to T into dA. Remember, we are getting this formula dW upon T is equal to dA relationship में. Now dA means change in area. We have two area, final area and initial area. Final area, that means single drop area, and initial means 27 drop का area. We know the formula of area square. What is the formula? 4 pi r square minus 4 pi r square. Now I am represent final area by 4 pi small r square into n. Clear? Here मैंने area 1 को I am represent by 4 pi r cube square. Now what is the common part in each place? 4 pi is common. Take 4 pi out. 4 pi t n r square minus capital R square. Now let's check. We have t. Yes, we know the pi ka value 3.14. T hai, we have t. Yes, see, we t hai. Small n we have, yes, 27 drop we have. Small r is that, yes. Capital R is that, yes, we have everything.
Yes.
Just put here and find out the final answer. इधर पे भी एक पार्ट सॉल्व किया है, देखो यहाँ पे मैंने ये वाला पार्ट आपको नहीं बताया बिकॉज दिस पार्ट इज थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन पार्ट है. उसने डायरेक्टली फॉर्मूला पुट किया, बट हाउ वी आर गेटिंग दिस फॉर्मूला मैंने यहाँ पे आपको शो किया बेटर वे. ओके, so better you do this part. Okay, so how we are getting the final answer? This is the simple type question, no need logarithm, directly solve करते जाओ. Here you are getting answer 1.628 into 10 raised to minus 7 joule. Joule because work done hai, that is why we are represented by joule. Anyone having any doubt? This is a conceptual question.
No,
sir.
Okay. This is
Easy लगा.
ये type के question और भी है. See, I am written here homework part. Why I am written here homework part? Because this is same type. We do. Let's see. A drop of mercury of radius. So mercury radius, that is capital R, is 0.2 centimeter. So we are convert centimeter into meter. So it becomes 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Broken into 8 droplets. That means one mercury का drop वो break हो गया, और break होके कितने small drop बना रहा है? 8 droplet of same size. So capital N is the represent number of drops. That is 8 of the same size. Now we don't have this droplet radius, so we are using the same method. Let's see. Find the work done. If they are asking surface tension, energy change or work done, simple वही चीज आती है. Here work done we are represented by small dw because droplet है ना. Yeah, we have to calculate work done. Surface tension, that is capital T, is given 435.5 dyne. Now dyne per centimeter is given. So we are converted this dyne per centimeter into Newton. Just add 10 ka power minus 3. So it directly converted into Newton per meter. Now again we are using the same formula. See, I am written here small. बहुत छोटा सा लिखा है तो मैं इसको बड़ा कर देता हूँ ताकि visible हो जाए. So we have the volume of single drop is equal to volume of n drop. Correct? So volume of single drop formula is 4/3 pi r cube. And the volume for n drop. N drop means कितना drop है? 8 drop. Volume of 8 drop is n 4/3 small pi.
8 drop.
Clear? So same method 4/3 pi, 4/3 pi is cancelled. What we are getting? R cube into n all r cube. Now take this n left hand side. So I hope you understand how we are getting this formula.
Yes, sir. Cancellation.
Now put this value. Capital R you have 2 into 10 is to minus 3 and small n is 8. Correct? So solve करेंगे. What you are getting? Your final answer. That is small r का value. Same method
Okay,
again.
sir.
Now again we are taking work done formula. dw is equal to t a2 minus a1. Correct? अब मैं आगे से आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा because the method is same. This question is homework question. Okay, students? ये थोड़ा सा.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We directly come to next question because we have less time. How much work is required to form a bubbles of 2 centimeter radius? That means small r, take small r is 2 centimeter. So we know that convert this centimeter into meter, 2 into 10 to minus 2 meter. Correct? soap solution having surface tension is given, that is capital T is 0.07 Newton per meter. Correct. What you have to calculate? Work done. Are same method. Now this time droplet nahi ho raha hai. Only one drop is given. So work done we have to calculate. We know the formula of work done. dW is equal to 2T dA. Now one area is given. Correct. Second area is not given. So suppose that starting area is 0. But we supposing that one area is 0. If you are confused about this equation, directly क्या करो? एक ही area show करो, दो area मत दिखाओ. Correct. Now formula is
Yes,
A2 minus A1. I am supposing A1 is 0. If this 0 it become एक ही A बना. Correct. We know the formula of area, that is 2T 4 pi r square. Now let's see. We have T. Yes, we have T. What is T? 0.07. 4 as it is pi 3.142, and small r is nothing but 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Simply calculate this whole part, multiply each part. No need logarithm, directly ho jayega. What you are getting? Your final answer. That is TW is equal to 0.7038 into 10 raised to minus 3 joule. Now here see pi ka value what he taken 3.142, but you can take 3.14 instead of 142. Take 3.14 chalega. You are getting same answer. So difference kya aayega? You are getting answer 0.37 like this. Okay. So approximately your answer is correct. Okay, understood. Point से लेकर इतना हिस्सा सही होना चाहिए यहाँ तक. अगर आगे का आपका गलत आ रहा है, like 27 आ गया, suppose you are getting 47, it's okay, your answer is correct. Understood student? आपका 2 पॉइंट रिमेंबर रखो. ये सिग्निफिकेंस फिगर का हम लोग मेथड देख रहे हैं, because you are not getting exact answer, you are getting approximately near to the answer. Like you are getting your answer is 7.022. Suppose you are getting answer 0.31. So you are asking us, sir, we are not getting correct answer. Your answer is correct. You are near to the answer, because correct answer आ ही नहीं सकता, because you are using logarithm ना. तो logarithm approximately answer नहीं देता है, उसमें significant figure का जो problem है वो आता है. I hope you know the significant figure.
Yes, sir.
तो ये याद रखो, कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. अप्रोक्सीमेटली आंसर आपका बहुत रेयर आएगा क्वेश्चन. ना देखो 14 में मैंने होमवर्क लिखा है, बिकॉज 14 क्वेश्चन इज सिमिलर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. द सेम फॉर्मूला वी आर यूजिंग. लेट्स सी. A rectangular wire of frame of size. Frame is represent the area. So suppose this 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter is their area A1. So centimeter we are converted into meter. So it becomes 10 to minus 4 meter square. Is deep into the soap solution and take out a soap film is formed. If the size of the film is changed into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. Now the final area is given 3 into 3. It becomes 9 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter. We are converting into centimeter to meter. Calculate the work done. Same thing is saying. Surface tension is given. Now we are using the same formula. Let's see the formula. What is we are using here? So this is the formula. What is the formula? We are getting this formula by this formula. dW is equal to 2 into T into dA. Correct? Now we know that we have two areas, final area minus initial. This represents the change in area. Correct? We know the formula of area. Area का formula क्या है? 4 pi r square. Correct ना? Sorry, 4 pi r. So यहाँ पर 4 pi r square we are not using. So why we are not using here 4 pi r formula? Because we have directly area value. See here, we have direct area value. Let's see. So directly we have to put the area value here. No need to calculate. So 2 T is given 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. A2 is 9 into 10 raised to minus 4. And A1 is 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. Now calculate करते हैं. Let's see. Now this power is common. See, यहाँ पर bracket में ये power and this power is common. So take this out as a common. So what we left in bracket part, इसको ऊपर करते हैं. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is how much? 9 minus 4.
5.
Yes, very good. 5. Now 10 का power minus 2 and 10 का power minus 4. How much we are getting? -2 -4 become -6. I will understand. 6 5 is
Final
30.
है.
So what we are getting the final answer 30 into 10 raised to -6 joule. Correct? यहाँ पे आप स्टॉप कर सकते हैं. उसने आगे क्यों पढ़ा? इसने को जीरो को थोड़ा हटाया. इसने क्या किया? Can we write 30 like this? 3 into 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to -6 is as it is. So 30 को can we write like this? Yes. So 1 minus 6 is -5. I hope you understand how we are getting this answer. Now the problem is
Yes, sir.
board exam में तो you are stopping here, so it's okay because आपकी textbook में ये answer है. That is why we are doing this work, extra work. Okay, students, you don't need to do this
Okay,
extra
sir.
work. So we are complete the numerical part. These are the extra questions. तो जितना है ये करना है आपको. And extra में जो आपके textbook में example है, see the example is there in your textbook. This given example 1.12, correct? वो भी आपको करना है. इतना कर लेंगे तो enough है. Board exam based, you are completed your work. Okay, no need to do maximum work. And this time your exam is very simple. Lots of reduction is there, and only the problem is the study. Most of the student is not doing study.
Yes, sir.
And what about my assignment? I didn't get assignment. Few boys is given. Just like example अभी बोला ना, दिया ना. Yes, you are given. But what about other? We have 23 students. Out of 23, 18 students attending lecture. Now today is 15 students. तो 15 में से 10 तो मिलना चाहिए एटलीस्ट. 10 भी नहीं आ रहा है मेरे पास असाइनमेंट. पूरा भर जाना चाहिए व्हाट्सएप. नंदिनी है, जोया है, बहुत फेव गर्ल्स है. आलमिन ने भी एक बार मेरे को दे दिया था असाइनमेंट. बॉयज में भी कैफ ने दिया है मुझे. समटाइम अरमान भी देता है. तालिब इज ऑल्सो गिवन. वो सब अभी ऐसे नाम देंगे तो बहुत सारे 7 स्टूडेंट तो आ जाते हैं, पर 10 नहीं आ रहे. गर्ल्स में कुछ गर्ल्स देती हैं. रेगुलर जो है वो गर्ल्स ही हैं जो कंटिन्यूसली रेगुलरली असाइनमेंट पुट कर रही है. whenever I given assignment, either maths or physics. मैथ्स का भी सबका नहीं आ रहा. कितना सारा एक्सरसाइज हो गया. असाइनमेंट इज गिवन. सम स्टूडेंट सेइंग ओके सर वी आर स्टार्टिंग, बट सबमिशन नहीं हो रहा. एंड द प्रॉब्लम इज, क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा? बोर्ड एग्जाम इज वेरी नियर. नाउ इज अगस्त, देन सितंबर, एंड योर बोर्ड एग्जाम डेट इज माइट बी मार्च और अप्रैल. थोड़ा डिले होगा तो कितना होगा? सीबीएसई का चेक करो. सीबीएसई का बोर्ड एग्जाम का टाइम टेबल ऑलरेडी आ गया. हमारा भी आ जाएगा. ओके, so are you prepared for board examination? Prepare होना पड़ेगा. So you are not prepared. Why you are not prepared?